Nagabenta ki khubor ba man kasni pet but subscribe ya u Antonio.
Khublei phi baro kinigilong ki khubor bam da kasni. Myntri rangbah ka Jilla Meghalaya u konrat ki sangma hagsni tho ding ulaya kren ba ba pensngan kurba ba lai khublei u ba ulayo ban korea kata marunong ha ka Kenyo men's slalom ha ka 38 national games Uttarakhand kum shibenta ban pentrai kam ka sports policy bat ban itho ega jingjop ba phala jong ba pensngan ka sarkar kan ai kam sarkar ya u ong Myntri rangbah ka Jilla. Myntri rangbah ula ai khublei ru ya u coach Ian Vincent but ka team manager ka Sheela Vincel.
So that's what it is. This is not going to supplement in any way the classroom environment and the aspect of the course being taught and in a proper manner throughout the year. But at least we're hopeful that these interventions will help a bit, and a marginal improvement in what we're trying to do. But at the end of the day, we have to ensure that the classrooms function as they should be functioning. Give the education to the children as it should be. And as you have all heard the Chief Secretary also, and you all know that our learning outcome numbers are very, very less. Out of 200, out of 250?
34 out of 240.
Yeah, so our 34 points out of 240. So that's like the lowest in the country. So that's so these numbers is what has in fact encouraged us or motivated us to come out with steps like these. Provide the necessary materials to our teachers so that we are able to at least have some impact. As the word suggests, we have to call it CM impact. There has to be an entire systematic change in obviously the learning and the teaching that takes place in the classroom itself. So I take this opportunity, first of all, to congratulate our young hero, Pinchnai Kurba, for winning the bronze medal in the national games. So really you have made all of us really proud. We are very happy and very proud of you, and it is a result of all the hard work that you have put in. So really we are very, very proud of you, and I want to congratulate you on behalf of the people of our state. And of course I also would like to congratulate Sheela and Vincent, Ian and Sheela for all the work that you have put in the last many years. I've been to your place, we have sat down a couple of times, I've seen the kind of work that you've been doing, and really this is I'm sure the most proud and satisfying moment for you. I'm sure many more to come, but this is a beginning. So I congratulate Ian and Sheela and the entire team that has really worked very hard to make this happen. So I really once again take this opportunity to congratulate each and every one of you. At this point in time, I'd like to ask Pinchnai if you want to say something. How do you feel? Yes, Pinchnai, how do you feel?
I feel happy, sir.
That's good. Would you like to say something?
Thank you for the support and all, sir.
Very good. And Ian, Sheela, you'd like to say something?
Yeah, same. Thanks so much, sir, for all your support. Without your support, we wouldn't be here at all. And so, thanks so much, and please continue with that.
Sure.
And there's a lot of potential here in Meghalaya.
So, Pinchnai, I also have one more good news for you. I want to tell you that when you come back here, we'll be working towards getting a government job for you, so that you have security and in the future, because you have done us all proud, and you deserve it, and you will also be an example to other young kids who will also strive to get a medal at the national games, Asian games or the Olympics. So just wanted to share. So when you come back, we'll get the paperwork done, and we'll get you a government job from the government. That's part of our sports policy, which we had passed, and you will be the first person to get the benefit of that policy.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. So enjoy and wish the rest of the team also the very best. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thanks. Bye.
Bye.